Aziza. And it was a real pleasure working for her. I worked for her about 4 months. We worked on the Cerita Kak Wan book. The book is available for sale at the site, and she'll happily sign it, I'm sure. And then later, they appointed me to become the Trade and Investment Chairman for PKR. And that is where my work really started. My work started to help, basically to support Rafizi Ramli in policy making. And primary focus is on policy making, on economic policies that we looked at. After we started drafting all these economic policies, I got a call from the boss and said, look, why don't you work directly for Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim so that, I can support him directly on many issues. So what happened was, it was a very quick transition. From a paid lawyer, within 2 years, I was really being pulled up in the party, sent to do most of the work in terms of advisory work on economic issues. I was sent to deal with the European Union trade negotiations going on. I was sent also to brief the international diplomats on what kind of economic policies we want to pursue. So all those things we can talk during my ceramah or during another period with my dialogue, okay? So I know you are very critical. People of Subang Jaya are extremely critical. That is why, yeah, I know you guys are laughing, but you're probably all going to come and gun at me in the next few days. That is why the party sent me. So I just want to end very quickly by just saying I'm not 3 things. First, I am not John Lennon. Second, I'm not Harry Potter. Third, I'm not a Low. I'm neither Low Goben nor Low Singkok. Now, Low Goben is a good friend. Yeah? He's loyal to the party. We are all very happy that he's not an independent candidate. We wish him the best of luck. But I can assure you that if one promise I can make to you tonight, I will do my ultimate best, my very best to serve you in the community, on your community issues, and also in the bigger general national issues. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to keep it short because Kak Wan really need to go. And thank you very much. I would hope to see you on the campaign trail. Come and see me. I'm very approachable. Thank you.